We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2016 Harley-Davidson Pro Street Breakout CVO. This bike is so much fun and also stops on a dime with these dual disc brakes and ABS. We have the Screamin' Eagle intake and the 110 cubic inch engine. The headers on this bike are absolutely beautiful, and we have these Reinhardt tips that we'll listen to in a little bit. We have an aftermarket seat in this beautiful giant pinstripe with the gold on either side. Very interesting swing arm bag. And we also have the phone mount. We run on a fob, so we are keyless. And miles are only 2,862. Let's listen to the exhaust. North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.